Hello, my lovely people. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. Friends, today I've just ordered some stuff from Amazon and I keep ordering this if I don't get it in the markets of here. So, what are these products which I bought from Amazon? I'll be sharing you a little haul from Amazon. So, I'll show you all what and all are my favorite stuff for my face, for my what do I use, and people often ask me what I use for my face, what is my night routine. I've shared most of it, and you guys know I like natural products and all. So whenever I need some good products or something which I don't get in Indian stores, I often go to Amazon and I order some stuff from there. So I'll show you all what and all I got from the Amazon parcel. So this is Jason's aloe vera, and not that I only go with Jason's aloe vera. I go with Patanjali also. These are the two brands which I use for my aloe vera stuff which I need. And when one finishes, and if I see that one price is different from the other and which is the cheapest, I buy it. This was like for $6-7. This was for $7-8, but I got two of these kind, and this was only one. So things are little expensive, but if you don't get it in the local market or at the Asian markets, I often go and utilize Amazon, and their products are really very good. And I swear by these products because they keep your skin very healthy and looking like baby skin and soft skin. So this is aloe vera. So, and this is the gulab water, the rose water actually, and it is known as gulab gel. This also I use a lot on my face just to clean and all. And I often use this to clean my face, and I really feel there's nothing on my face, as you all can see. There's hardly anything. Oh, it fell off. So I just use this before I sleep, and it keeps my face and my skin very soft and healthy. This is good for if you have any acne also. It is very good. So I use this a lot too. And now I come with the cucumber gel. This is a cucumber gel which I always use, and in winter this is the most effective thing which I always use, and I can use this over my hands, legs, neck and all. So I use a cucumber gel also a lot. And now I bought some lipstick, and I wanted something which is very light and nice. So I bought this lipstick, and it doesn't have any color or something, but it has a nice flower in it. Can you see? And it when you apply lipstick on your lips, it has a nice flower, and it really gives a very good stench on your this one. So I'll just wipe this. I wiped my old lipstick with the aloe vera, and I'll just show you how it comes onto your lips, and it gives a very natural looking lips. See, it only gives a light pink, and just it gives a nice flossy look on your lips. So this is one lipstick which I got, and it is nice actually. So I like this also. And this is a black coal which I like to apply on my eyes. It is known as Miss Rose, and it says long wear gel eyeliner. So it's a professional makeup. If you want to buy, you can just refer this Miss Rose, and it just says black. Yeah, it just says black because I'll put black color eyeliner, and it will be like this. It will be just like the pencil eyeliner. So I'll apply also and show you. See, it's so nice. Black. I love black color on my eyes. Of course, I put all the colors, and this is done. And this is the aloe vera lip liner again, lipstick again, and it's made with aloe vera, so this also goes well with your pH level actually. So it doesn't gives you a good color, whatever color you have on your skin. This melts like according to your skin how much warm it is. So I hope you can see this, or I'll just put it over here, because over there I was trying some other things. See, however your body is hot or something, it will show you that color. Just see, I just love it. This and this is the same actually. So I like this also, and I'm really happy with this product also. The next lipstick which I bought is little unique. It says that it will give you 3 colors. So it is like this, and it is black in color. So I don't know what is it called, but this lipstick, no, it will give you 3 shades. So I'll apply and show you. Lips a little wet because I used rose water. So this is not black color exactly. It will give you a nice color. So I really wanted to try this also. Just see, it's giving so nice pink color. This has 3 shades in it, so I really liked it, and I like the shape of the bottle. So the lipstick shape is very good, and I don't know why they have given a chain with it, and I cannot even put on my neck, but your hand, but it won't look nice. So this are the things which I brought, and this is one nail polish holder which I bought, and you can keep one nail polish here and just apply it like this. I'll just show you. Let me get a nail polish. I didn't bring it with me. So this is the nail polish holder which I bought from Amazon, and I have put a nail polish over here. You can just, if you are applying this nail polish in the car, because I often go to pick up kids, and I sometimes apply nail polish in the car. So you can just put this, and you can just put it like this on your finger. Of course, I have some other nail color on. So you can just use this as a when you don't have table or anything, you can use this as a nail polish holder, and I really like this also. So it's interesting to know. And this is the new nail polish which I bought. I think I'll do a DIY. And this is OPI, and it is Malanga wine, if you all can see. Don't know what's the number, but it says Malanga wine. So I hope you all like this, and I'll do another tutorial for my nails. So these are the products which I bought from Amazon, and I'm really very happy. And this can be just, it can just pop out when you want to open. So it's like this. So it's very useful, and here goes the nail polish. And this is also from Amazon, and I just paid $20 for it, and I really like it. If you all can see, I just love the flair of it, and it was only $20. So I'm very happy. So all these products I bought from Amazon. So I hope you all like it, and the best products are cucumber gel and aloe vera. So these 3 things I always buy if I don't get it in the Asian market or Indian store. So I'm really very happy with all the products. So if you like it, want to keep your skin healthy for winter, please use these products, and I abide by all this, and these are my favorite things from Amazon. Hope you all liked it, and if you have liked it, like it, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Bye. Love you all.